Hey, I'm Kevin and welcome to Tortilla Takeover. Tonight I'm making chicken enchilada rancheros. That's right, chicken enchilada rancheros. Look at that. Don't those look good? Okay, so basically here in New Mexico we love huevos rancheros, right? So huevos rancheros is your corn tortilla and sauce and eggs and potatoes and beans and just the whole 9 yards. This is a takeoff of that, a spin off of that, but using chicken enchiladas I actually made instead of just cheese. So I made chicken enchilada rancheros. That means we got eggs on top. 2 fried eggs. Let me show you how I do these. We'll come back and we'll do a taste test. All right, a great way to get some already cooked chicken that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. Most Costco's and Sam's Club's rotisserie chicken isn't very much anyway, but at our local Walmart, if they don't sell the day after, they put it in the refrigerated section over near the meat, and you can get a rotisserie chicken for $3.97. It used to be $2.97. They've gone up $1. Anyway, if you can't find the regular one, a lot of times they have the lemon pepper rotisserie chicken, and I'll tell you, once you take the skin off, you don't even know the lemon pepper is even there. So I'm going to use some shredded rotisserie chicken like that. I've got shredded chicken. You know, these rotisserie chickens are not huge, but you know, even if you buy one that's cooked for $5.97, $6, that's still cheaper than buying a raw one and bringing it home and cooking it yourself. Yes, you could get chicken thighs or breasts and boil them or grill them or whatever, but you know, quick, easy, tastes good, and this way I have the dark and the white meat mixed in. You can keep it separate, but I like it mixed together. So, and then also, you know, whatever you don't use, you can portion it out and freeze it and use it at a later date. All right, that is my money-saving tip for getting some delicious rotisserie chicken. For my chicken enchilada rancheros, I am going to need some chicken, obviously. It's not going to take a whole lot. I'm only going to make a couple right now. Got that shredded. Got the shredded rotisserie chicken. Got some Chihuahua cheese. Got a little bit of green chili. Diced up. And we're just going to mix that up. I got my oil heating up to soften up my tortillas. And this is going to be the filling for our chicken enchiladas. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to these. Not a lot, just a little bit of salt, and a lot more pepper. I like pepper better than salt, so there we go. All right, so that's ready for our chicken enchiladas. This is going to be like restaurant style. Got some hot oil going. I'm going to soften up a couple of corn tortillas. It's the best way to soften your tortillas. They cook up just a little bit, so they stay firm when you roll them. It only takes a few seconds. All right, so then we're just going to take our corn tortilla, put our filling inside, roll them up. All right, just like that. Then I got some homemade, just whipped up a small batch of red chili sauce. And drizzle over that. Okay, and then I'm going to top it with some more of that Chihuahua shredded cheese. It's a quesadilla cheese. It melts really well. And then I'm going to fry up a couple of fried eggs, just over easy. I'm going to zap that in the microwave and finish off the plate. I'll be frying my eggs right here in this oil that's already hot. It's ready to roll. All right, so there's my chicken enchiladas. And these are chicken enchilada rancheros. So that means we're going to put a couple of eggs on top, just like that. And I'm going to serve them with papitas, aka fried potatoes. And these are actually the little bag of hash brown potatoes that you can get. I bake them. You can fry them in a fry pan if you want. That's how the instructions on the bag are, but I just like throwing them in the oven. Just like that. And I'm gonna pass on the beans tonight. I'm just gonna have the potatoes, and I have a little bit of red sauce left over. I'm gonna drizzle on there, and there you go. Chicken Enchilada Rancheros. Let's get a bite of this. What do you think of that? I didn't show how I make my red chili sauce. If you watch any other videos, you might see it. Pretty easy. This is kind of like how restaurants do it. They don't make the whole casserole of chicken enchiladas. They make them by the plate. When you order it, they just roll them up and put them on the plate, sauce them, put them under their salamander, which I don't have. So I threw it in the microwave before I added the eggs on top for about, I think I put them in there a minute to help the cheese melt inside and outside. Covered it with red chili enchilada sauce. Topped with eggs, having some papitas, aka potatoes. I use the hash brown potatoes you can get in a bag. Here we go. Super easy. I use that at a Walmart Rotisserie Chicken for $4. Talk about easy and affordable. Okay, let me get a nice bite of here. All right, there we go. Chicken Enchilada Rancheros. What can I say? That is absolutely fantastic. Got the cheese. Cheesy. Trying to break the cheese, it's stringing. Okay. See there? Chicken Enchilada Rancheros. Give these a try. You can use jarred enchilada sauce if you want, if you have a favorite. Enchilada sauce is very simple to make. I just use the red chili powder. I don't go through the whole pods and blending and all of that. So, there you go. Give it a try. Thanks for checking this out. Tortilla Takeover. Hope you do try this. It's very simple, and hope you have a great day.